Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold clothes. We're doing a baby clothes series here. Today is day 3 and we're gonna have a look at baby socks. So I figured let's do 2 ways. First one is going to be fast and easy way. I'm gonna take my baby socks here and I'm gonna place them with the heel facing down. So if you have socks that have like the heel facing out like this, totally fine as well. It's just I prefer to place them facing down. So anyway, let's move on here. I'm gonna take one of the socks and place it directly on top of the other one like this, both with the heel facing down. And from here, I'm gonna split the socks in 2 down the middle like this. And I'm just gonna fold them over in half like so. So this is really fast and easy. You can stack them like this, laying down, or you could also stand them up like this. If you're having trouble making them stand up, just gonna make like a very sharp pyramid shape and you're just going to press it down. This is called the file folding system. It's really nice, popularized by Marie Kondo. You can stack them next to each other. It's a little bit flimsy though, so it doesn't travel very well, as you can see. So I'm going to show you an alternative as well. This is my personal favorite. I use it on all my ankle socks. Fits really nicely for baby socks as well. This is great for traveling with your socks, like if you need a change of socks for your babies or something when you're out. This one is slightly more difficult. You will need to make sure that the heel is going down like this time. So in order to achieve this fold, what we're going to do is place one sock down first with the heel facing down, and I'm going to take the other sock and we're going to slightly stagger it so it's a little bit in front here, so that you can see the entire elastic band of the lowermost sock here. Now from here, I'm just going to turn it around so that the toes face me, and I'm going to take my little grape here and I'm going to start rolling them up. Now make sure that you get both layers of sock here, otherwise it's not going to work. And just keep rolling. You don't need to do it super tightly at all. Once you reach the point here where the elastic of the first sock is entirely covered, just lift up the sock like this. And then we're going to take what was the lowermost sock's elastic band, and we're going to wrap it inside out over the entire sock like this. Now make sure that you get the entire elastic band all the way over, otherwise if it stays on top of the roll, it's gonna stretch it, which is not good. So get it all the way over there. So like this. Now you can keep them in your bag like this, but if you want to store them in your closet, drawers like this, you need to do this as well. Just gonna flatten it on your palm so that it's flat on one end. And if you keep them like this, you can actually place them standing up as well. So I have a bunch more of these tips, by the way. You can go to organizing.tv/free if you want like this, I think it's a 10-page folding cheat sheet with all my favorite folds. There you can also get like a 7-day wardrobe organizing challenge where you take your wardrobe from really messy to really neat in the span of a week. Next time we're gonna have a look at baby pants. It's gonna be a lot of fun as well. I like the bigger ones to fold, and yeah, I'll see you over there.